TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, folks. Steve Rhodes coming to you live from the shores of a beautiful Delray Beach, Florida. It's your 11 a.m. update. We've got a sea of red out there. You got the Dow down 248, S&P off 67, NASDAQ 104.05. That's 1.5% there. Russell's down $1.70, so it's flat out there. 70 points for the transports. Semis are down 113. NASDAQ Composite 351. New York Stock Exchange down 14. Gold is up $26. Silver is up $5.50. That's a 6% move. Light sweet crude up 54 pennies. Natural gas just getting hammered, down 27 cents. That's an 8% move to the downside. Let's figure out what all that means by looking at that 9-panel market update chart. We'll begin with the ES Mini. The ES Mini, well, earlier was trying to attempt a new profile. That has now vanished. Price here may find support at the top of its existing profile. That level is at the 69.23 level. We've been down to the low so far today of 69.24, 69.26, 69.2650. So watch that 69.23. If we get below that, 68.79 would be its next price target. In the case of the NQ, we're already back inside its profile, so its price target would be the 25.382 level. Now, that's the area where a counter trend move to the downside would definitely come to an end. In the case of the Dow Equity Future Contract, no new profile, but prices trading below its oscillator and change line. Closed below it yesterday. We should have a second down move in a row. Maybe we're going to get 2 to 4 days to the downside. In the case of the Dow Equity Future Contract, support would be, the first level of support is 48.894. High-grade copper as a Rhodes Momentum Indicator top, it would be negated with a close above the high from back on January the 6th, and that high would be at $6.11. Right now we're trading at $6.05. We may get a, let me update this here real quickly. Yeah, we got to a newer high. So with regard to Goldilocks, the concern here, both with gold and silver, you're in bar number 8 today for gold and silver. So you could get a TD9 count top that goes ahead and confirms and completes by Friday out there. Now that pullback could just be, something very small, maybe to the top of their profiles. In the case of gold, 45.21. In the case of silver, 79.02 out there. Light sweet crude, bar number 5 to the upside. We're trading above profile resistance. We should continue its rally. Natural gas, just don't touch it. No bottom in sight, daily, weekly, monthly. And the 30-year Treasury is now taking on profile resistance at 116.03. If you close above that, we are likely to continue to move higher. Folks, stay tuned for the Trader's Edge show. But if you have to start your Wednesday, please have a wonderful one. Thanks for joining us, and we'll look forward to speaking with you again soon. Take care now.